guys. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Melinda Hauduka. You can call me Melinda. Now I want to take a presentation about the Nyale and Pasola Festival. Talking about tourism on the island of Sumba, which is located in the East Nusa Tenggara area, will never end. Sumba always attracts tourists to visit because of its natural and cultural beauty that is not shared by other regions in Indonesia, even the world. One type of ancestral culture that is now a tourist attraction is Pasola, or in Sumbanes known as Pahola. The Sumbanes who still adhere to the Marapu religion, the local indigenous religion, have been keeping this Pasola tradition from generation to generation. Pasola comes from the word pa, which means game, and sola or hola, which means wooden javelin stick. That is, the games use wooden javelin stick. Even though it's called a game, Pasola isn't just about having fun. There is a meaning in the game played by hundreds of years, namely a request for blessing to God. In Marapu belief, the Pasola tradition is considered capable of maintaining harmony between ancestral spirits and humans. From the harmony of humans with their ancestors, it is hoped that God will give blessing and prosperity to the people of Sumba. Pasola implementation must be preceded by the traditional Nyale tradition, where this tradition is called out to determine whether the harvest in this area is abundant or not. On the beach, Seitrato Wegali of Mau Delete Wanokaka. Nyale are colorful sea worms. Usually, nyale is caught by the community and then cooked and made into food mixed with coconut. During the evacuation of the nyale tradition, Turato people walk the beach calling out and appears. Simulation with the summoning of nyale. Several Rato owls monitor the situation around the traditional event of summoning Nyale. If many Rato are healthy, fed, and have colorful fish, that's a sign that good bless and Pasola will implement it, he said. However, if the Nyale is dead and unhealthy, then Pasola cannot be done. Grateful that the implementation of the custom resulted in many Nyale, the community was invited to go down to the beach to catch Nyale. Some carry aqua bottles into buckets to catch Nyale. The implementation of Pasola is also related to the evidence of agricultural product in the Wanokaka area. Usually in Pasola, someone dish to be used as a sacrifice so that the harvest is abundant, but those traditions and beliefs are slowly being abandoned, said Rata Wigali. When Pasola was held, all residents flocked to the vast meadow, including tourists from various regions. After being divided into two groups of more than 100 youths in each group, Pasola was played armed with a spear or long wooden javelins and horse as the means. The two groups will attack each other by throwing javelin at the opponent or chalk blunt. wooden javelins can injure and result in casualties. Yes. A number of Parisian tourists admitted that they really enjoyed the tradition of catching nyale, which was called out to welcome Pasola in the area. Whether, for example, a Dutch tourist who witnessed the nyale and Pasola tradition admitted that he was amazed by the tradition of Sumba ancestors that were still being preserved. He hopes that the beauty of Sumba Island and the hundreds of years old ancestral tradition will be preserved. Pasola legend. Weluang village in Wanukaka, where Sumba Regency became the beginning of the emergence of the Pasola tradition. Weluang itself is the birthplace of the Pasola legend, namely Ubudula and his brothers Yegi Weikareri and Wowu Tomatutu. Pasola itself begins with a story of love, honor, and sacrifice, as well as greatness of soul, and it is from this traditional village. That's the story that is now worldwide begins. Rato Wegali from Auhapu Wanukaka resorted that Ubudula was a leader from the community in the village. Out of empty for the community, Ubudula migrated outside the village looking for a solution for its residents who were suffering from hunger. After years of wandering, Ubudula did not return. The throne of leadership was given to his wife Rabukaba because his people did get Ubudula to be dead. Time keeps changing. Day after day, even year after year, Ubudula never came. Finally, Rabukaba was met with Teda Gaiparona, a man from Kodi who is now in Southwest Sumba Regency. They are married, but after getting married, Ubudula appears. She is shocked when she finds out her love has been taken by another man, so he gets her a number of traps to reclaim his wife who had been taken by Teda Gaiparona on Kodi. A dispute ensued in the end because Rabu did not want any casualties because of him. So he sacrificed himself by jumping into the sea. They transformed into a nyale so that all Sumbanese people could enjoy it. That's all I can say. Sorry if there is a wrong word. Thank you.